Hi everyone, this is Taylor with Valleyscape Irrigation in Murrieta, Temecula, California. I'm on a property here in actually Lake Elsinore, our neighbor, and they had called us because in their words they're having insanely high water bills. So I'm going to go over two products that we are actually going to recommend for their site to help them with this situation, because like you might have standard spray nozzles from RAINBIRD or Hunter, and they just put out a ton of water, and I'm noticing this all over the site. So if you're in the market for new sprinkler nozzles or sprinkler heads and you're thinking about the MP Rotator that's very popular now, or the new RAINBIRD RVan, I hope you watch this video because you will gain some helpful insight in your decision-making process. So I'm going to start with the standard RAINBIRD spray head. Now, a lot of properties that have been around for 10 or 12, 15 years have these. You can see how much overspray they typically have. They mist quite a bit up into the atmosphere and lose a lot of water. They water about 3 times as fast as the MP Rotator does. So that's important to keep in mind as well. So we're going to go ahead and transition over to the MP Rotator here. Hopefully you can see it pretty well and how it's working. So it's got good clean lines on it. It does really well at watering from pretty close to itself where the sprinkler is, all the way out to the end of its spray pattern. So keep that in mind. Very consistent, lays down water really, really well. The other thing I really love about the MP Rotator is that it has such clean edges. So that's where the water starts and stops its rotation. Very clean. You can get very accurate with it. Great product. We've had great success with them in our quest to use less water. Now we're going to contrast that, and you may have a hard time seeing this with the RAINBIRD RVan nozzle. This is a newer product. I think in the last couple of years it's come out. You don't need any tools to adjust it. And you'll notice that it spins a little bit faster. So it does put out a little bit more water. Sometimes that's good. It is a great option for slopes, but you don't need tools to adjust it at all. You can almost shut the thing off, and you can adjust how far it sprays and the degree of spray that it has as well. So a good option. It does like a little bit higher water pressure. I think they say about 50 psi is optimum on this product, where the Hunter MP Rotator definitely has to be regulated via a regulated sprinkler head or a main regulator on the system, and it wants to be at 40 psi. Sometimes you can get away without regulating the RAINBIRD, and it does put out a little more water. So which one's the best? Well, that's really up to you and your property. The Hunter MP Rotator is our biggest seller, and it seems to do the best in our environment, and it does have the cleanest edges. So I do recommend this one pretty much exclusively for lawns, but if you've got planters like this or slopes, the RAINBIRD might be a good option for you. I hope this helps, and if you have any further questions or comments, or if you need help and you're in our area, please feel free to call us at 951-837-3209.